How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me on another adventure. I'm pretty excited about this one. We're actually traveling to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan here. Staying 4 nights, 4.5 days. We started last night, actually. Got a late start because Andy had to get out of work. And I didn't even film because we arrived so late. We're right in the tip of the mitten. So we are actually at a campground tonight, or today, and we're leaving this morning, and then we're going to be crossing the Mackinac Bridge. We've got Andy and Mike with us, and of course Murdoch. We stopped for some food here before we cross the Mackinac Bridge. Delicious food. Pancake Chef, that's where we're at. But we missed the buffet, unfortunately.
You just threw it away.
Yeah, there's plenty left too.
I think it's gone now.
Oh well. We'll go raid the dumpster after this. Look at the lighthouse.
Oh, I'm trying to take a picture of you, ass. Trees in my way.
You know what's in my way? Your adult language. Deep from these.
Underbody flush.
What'd you say?
Underbody flush.
Yeah, getting it all nice and cleaned out. I always worry how deep these are after that one time, because it just dropped. Ooh. Ooh.
Are we going up it?
Huh?
Are we going up it? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, dude, that looks so much fun, dude.
Right.
That's what I'm talking about right here. You good here?
Oh. I should fold them here.
Like an opportunity to scratch the side of my truck because it's not a very well traversed trail.
And anyways, you got all those little white specks under your clear coat anyways.
Have to go there.
You can miss out on the fun. Not gonna make that.
Nope. Let's come down that. I think that's a better one to come down.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Shit. Hell yeah, that was where was that?
Right?
Get it again. Get it again. It's because we curved to the side.
Yep.
You had to lift. If you wouldn't have had to lift, we would have had it.
Yep. I'm gonna have so much pinstriping.
Yes, you are.
Oh, really? Not even this one?
I don't know if you realize this or not, Trevor. Your tires are pretty well shot. Look at how deep that shit is.
Yeah.
stick the bottom of the truck right in that real fast. That is it right there. Where are we going into?
Apparently,
can't fit back there.
nothing.
We cannot fit back there.
Nope. How's it over there, Mike?
Oh, check that shit out, dude.
Pretty cool, more of the same.
That's
That
cool.
gate that was closed up over here on our way to. The way to get in the back is over here.
Oh, shit. Dude, we should have gone through it.
I don't want to get stuck in that situation. Go through, man. Just make sure to have speed.
It's pretty deep. I saw you back out of it. I think so.
It's not that deep.
Yeah. He's got it. Don't half and half it. That's just vagina stuff. Weak.
You did sink down, though. Did you see that track?
Go.
Me?
No. Yeah, I mean, you can if you want. I'm down. I'll climb out of the son of a bitch from the window. Yeah, that's the way to go.
Stanky water, too.
It is stanky as f***, isn't it? Holy shit.
I thought you were going to get out.
Well, I was messing around with crop control. I didn't realize I buried myself.
Holy shit, I'm on the rail over here. No need for a running board. I'll just step to the ground.
So we got some pretty soft sand here. Didn't realize I sunk down as far as I did. I was messing around with crawl control, seeing if I could crawl up this, but ended up burying myself pretty good. So we're gonna knock out the winch. Alright, well, we've arrived at our next campsite that we found. It's a nice little site here. I got these two little lakes or ponds that were sandwiched in between. For a second there, I thought Andy was actually in the water, like up to his knees. So, a little chilly for that. And there's another little lake pond over here. Nice stone fire pit too. So, yeah, nice looking site. So we're gonna go ahead and set up and probably get dinner here going soon.
I'm trying to remember how to do this. Do you put the legs down first? only supposed to take 12 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Get me
19,
motivated.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And for those who may have noticed, Mike got a new vehicle. It's fancy. 2019 Lexus GX460. Got some nice upgrades to it already. Mike got what I like to call a turnkey off-roader. Basically, you know, he bought it already built by someone else, built it, did the things they want to it, that put their personal touch on it. You know, he's never really going to have that deep bond, soul connection with his vehicle because of it. Because he didn't put in the grunt and the blood, sweat, and tears.
Of course. But ironically, I'm the one that's like, I don't want to scratch it. And you're the one who put in all the work, and you're like, good.
Another thing that some of you may have noticed is that I have also upgraded a few things. Primarily, I mean, I had an awning before, but I did upgrade that. And then I also got a rooftop tent from Go Fast Campers, the super light rooftop tent. We'll talk more about that on another video. I'd like to experience it a bit more so I can give you guys an accurate feedback. Okay, can't find my ferro rod. Cheating. I don't remember where I put my ferro rod. We have some crappy wood, but we're doing our best with it. May have to figure something out here. Andy is chefing it up tonight. We have a pork loin on the menu and potatoes. And I can't find my seasoning. So luckily we bought a pre-seasoned pork loin. And what else will we have? Maybe some corn or?
Corn and potatoes.
Alrighty, this is looking delicious. Got a nice char on it. We got some nice medley of potato and corn. Should absorb all that nice flavor. And this is all you're going to see because I'm about to turn off the camera and just dig in. Beautiful morning. Fog on the lake. Was foggier, but I hadn't gotten out of my tent yet, so. That was cozy. Mike's getting some cereal. And Murdoch's finishing his breakfast. Hi, Murdoch. Hi, Bud. You good boy. Yeah, you good boy. Get some baby action in there, too. Yep. Huh? Alright, we're all packed up. Getting ready to head out. Gonna go see some waterfalls today. Starts with a T and I can't pronounce it, so you'll see it when we get there. Awesome.
Yeah. Sure is. What lake is this?
Superior.
Superior. Is that what it is? That's what I was gonna guess, but I don't want to look like a dumbass.
No. Alrighty. Beautiful. Here we are at Tequamamanam Falls. What is it? Tequamanon. I don't know why I cannot remember that.
Like non-bread.
Yeah, Tequamanon. Murdoch. Murdoch. Murdoch.
I don't think I can do it. Come on.
There we go.
Hi.
The sandstone that forms the Tequamanon River bottom was originally beach sand along an ancient sea that existed over 500 million years ago. The lower falls are older than the upper falls. Sandstone gets deposited in layers. New layers pile on top of older layers. The lower falls are 125 feet below the upper falls in elevation, making the rock at the lower falls older than what is found just 4 miles upstream.
Let's take a look. So apparently, Mike was telling me that they just helicoptered this bridge in recently. And some people are upset because it takes away from the natural beauty of the waterfalls. But it also gives you better views. I'm torn. Can't really give you an accurate decision which way I like it because I can't go out and see it yet. It'll open spring 2022. There's like a little trail and some stairs heading down right down there, right where the falls are, and then they come over this way. Little pathway going down here. Alright, we're at the Upper Falls.
Before 1880, the mighty Tequamanon River was not suitable for log drives. There was a short stretch where the river was too shallow to float logs. 28 men were hired to haul 5,000 pounds of dynamite by boat to the construction site. The crew built dams to divert the river so they could access the stream bed to drill and blast away the sandstone. 16,000 cubic yards of sandstone was removed from the riverbed.
Right over here is the jacuzzi spot. Extra froth. And right over there is where there's another trail I gotta find. I want to get down there. Probably not doing that today though. Now we're at the pub right by the Upper Falls. So, gonna have some dinner. Smells delicious. We're starving. Oh yeah. I gotta tell you what, Andy's plate. Look at that. Look at the presentation they did. That is fancy. Oh yeah, like the above shot. Look at that. Look at the. I'm doing this just. Look at Andy. Look how frustrated he is. So what's all on the ultimate grilled cheese? Pickle. At least it's on the side.
No, I just picked it off.
Oh really? So there's bacon or something and cheese.
Bacon, tomato, aioli, cheese, something else.
Fish dip. I got a chicken sandwich of some sort. Bigger chicken. Decided to order some cheese ravioli. The chicken sandwich wasn't quite filling enough on its own. Looks nice. I feel like Andy's looked a little nicer. It is a rainy day. So we decided to stay by the campground just by the falls. stay at the campground by the falls, because by the time we got done with dinner, it was pretty late and pretty rainy and cold, and didn't feel like hunting around for dispersed camping. So yeah, we're gonna just stay here. Rained all night, still raining. Rain is supposed to stop soon, hopefully, so probably get packed up and head out and maybe go see some more waterfalls or something, or maybe hit some trails. Not sure yet. We'll figure it out. Alright, we are just taking a short walk down to Miners Falls.
I think there's actually like a warning path from that lower platform. We'll have to walk over there. This kind of looks like path as well.
Alright, now we're heading over to Munising Falls next. So, Murdoch stayed in the car. He was tired. This is it. Munising Falls right here, you guys. Another beautiful waterfall. More stairs. We can go up top if we wanted to. So, Munising Creek has actually eroded the Munising Formation sandstone for thousands of years, grain by grain, ton by ton. Actually, this horseshoe-shaped valley has been patiently carved by the creek, and erosion, often in the form of falling rocks, is most common in spring and fall when the freeze and thaw actually loosens the pieces of moisture-laden wall. So, and cracks or faults have hastened this process. The rock falls have occurred several times in the past few years. So yeah, the path used to go wrap around and go under the falls. But since no one can predict when large pieces will fall or break loose from the valley wall, they've closed it off, and so now it's where you have to view from. Alright, we're at Timber Charlie's. Looks delicious. It is delicious. Already it's way better than that last restaurant. Cheese curds, delicious. Pretzel, also delicious. Those are my two favorites. Those French fries right there?
It looks like there's a couple loose fries on there.
That's funny.
I thought they were all pink.
Man, look at all this. How's that ghost burger?
It's so fun.
Yeah. We gotta get some.
You are so fucking annoying with that. I had to.
The Euro. Alright, we are at Miners Castle, checking out the pictured rocks. It's got a beautiful view. Let me show you a view of the lake. Oh wow. Keep off of Miners Castle. It is highly unlikely that you will survive a fall. Look at this. Well, this is Miners Castle.
It seems the only constant in this world is change. No two views of the pictured rock cliffs are the same. Erosion by wind, water, and ice is a continuous, ongoing process. Two good examples of change in the 20th century include the collapse of the Grand Portal Arc in 1900 and the Chapel Rock Arc in the 1940s.
Okay, So, change of plans. Sorry about the poor lighting. But we had a change of plans. Andy's gear was pretty soaked from the rain and hadn't dried out enough. And Mike had some also wet gear. And quite frankly, Murdoch seems like he didn't want to get out of the car for most of the day. I think he's just ready to be home and go home. So we decided to instead of staying the final night, just go ahead and go home early. So I just got done driving all the way down, dropped off Andy. I'm a little bit tired, so sorry. It's pretty late, so we're gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys all had a good. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that other jazz. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I said like and subscribe. Al's an idiot.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Oh, wait, no, wasn't pointing at you.
Like and subscribe.
One more time.
Like and subscribe.
Nope, still didn't get it.
Okay. Like and then subscribe.